IELTS Reading, master the practice exercises. Hello, passionate English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the IELTS Reading Test, one of the core components of the IELTS exam. One of the best ways to prepare is by practicing, and that's exactly what we're going to guide you through today. Prepare to tackle those reading exercises with confidence. IELTS Reading is designed to assess a wide range of reading skills. This includes reading for the main ideas, reading for detail, understanding logical arguments, recognizing the opinions, attitudes, and purposes of the writer. Remember, the IELTS Reading Test is 60 minutes long and consists of 3 sections with varying types of questions. Before we jump into practice exercises, here are some essential tips to keep in mind. 1. Skimming. Quickly glance through the passage to get a general idea. This doesn't mean reading every word, but rather looking for the main ideas. 2. Time management. Be mindful of the clock. Ideally, you should spend 20 minutes on each section. 3. Underline. As you read, underline or highlight key words and phrases. This can help when answering questions. 4. Don't overthink. If you're unsure about an answer, make the best guess and move on. Don't spend too much time on one question. Let's get into a mini practice session. Text sample. The art of storytelling has been around for centuries. Ancient civilizations utilized tales not just for entertainment, but also for educational and cultural preservation purposes. These narratives were passed from one generation to the next, ensuring traditions remained intact. Question 1. What was a primary purpose of storytelling in ancient civilizations? A. For entertainment only. B. To ensure traditions remained unchanged. C. To pass on culinary recipes. D. For sports. Correct answer. B. To ensure traditions remained unchanged. Explanation. The text mentions that tales were used not just for entertainment, but also for educational and cultural preservation purposes, emphasizing the importance of keeping traditions intact. Engaging in similar practice exercises regularly will boost your comprehension skills and prepare you for the actual test. After completing practice exercises, always review your answers. Understanding why you got an answer wrong is as crucial as knowing why you got it right. This review process helps you identify areas of weakness and work on improving them. There you have it, a glimpse into the IELTS reading test and how to master those practice exercises. Remember, consistent practice and understanding the test structure are keys to success. We hope this video has been enlightening and aids you in your IELTS journey. Until next time, happy reading and best of luck!